In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss order on Robinhood. Whether you're looking to manage your investment risk or automate your trading strategy, knowing how to set a stop loss can be incredibly helpful. Let me walk you through the process, step by step, so you can protect your investments efficiently and confidently. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Robinhood account. You can do this either through the mobile app on your phone or by visiting the Robinhood website on your computer. Make sure your login information is secure, and if you're using a shared device, it's always a good idea to log out when you're finished to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, head over to your portfolio. This is where all of your current holdings are displayed, making it easy to see an overview of your investments. Look through the list of stocks you own and select the one that you'd like to set a stop loss for. Selecting a single stock brings up more detailed information about that asset, including its recent performance, current price, and trading options. Next, you'll need to access something called the Robinhood Legend interface. This interface provides more in-depth trading features and order types, which makes it the best place to set up more specific orders like a stop loss. Now that you're viewing the stock in the trading interface, find and tap or click on the Sell button. This takes you to the Sell Order screen, where you'll see different ways you can sell your shares. On this sell screen, look for the section labeled Order Types. On the mobile version, you might see a button specifically labeled Stop Loss. Tapping or clicking this option will bring up a list of different order types you can use for your trade. From the list, choose Stop Loss. A stop loss order is designed to help limit your loss by automatically selling your shares if the stock price drops to a certain level. Setting a sensible stop loss can help you stick to your investment plan, especially in volatile markets. Now, enter the stop price you want your order to trigger at. This should be a price that, if the stock were to fall to or below, you'd want to automatically sell your shares. Think carefully about your investment goals and risk tolerance when choosing this price. Once you've decided on your stop price, take a moment to review your order. Double check all the details to ensure everything is set up just the way you want. When you're satisfied, simply tap or click Submit to finalize your stop loss order. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have peace of mind, knowing your investment is better protected against market downturns. Thanks for watching and happy investing.